Did you know playing Tetris can improve your mental health? Experiencing trauma can lead to something called post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, where you can get intrusive memories of the traumatic event and negative changes in your thoughts, mood, or behavior. 1 in 13 people can develop PTSD at some point in their life. Playing Tetris can change the way your brain stores the traumatic memory, so that the negative emotions become separated from the memory itself. You can view Tetris as a new tool in your toolkit. Just 15 minutes spent playing Tetris while thinking about a traumatic memory can help manage your PTSD. But remember, a good therapist can never be replaced by a video game. So if you're in a bind and need something to control with your own hands, after trauma, try Tetris.